Have you ever imagined if Cristiano Ronaldo took the football and became a Superman? But thanks to AI, we can actually see it. So today we are dividing into Ronaldo's superhero era, and trust me, Henry Cavill might be jealous. Let's go. Oh man, look at that jawline. Bro looks like he is about to save the world and score a hat trick at the same time. Imagine Ronaldo lining up for the free kick, but instead of kicking the ball, he is about to laser beam the goalpost with the Superman eyes. Yeah, the goalkeeper would just resign on the spot. We are pointless. Superman Ronaldo delivered instant justice. You know what's wild? Ronaldo's real story is already superhero level. From a poor kid in Madeira to the biggest name in the football level. This man has been defying gravity way before AI put him in a cat. Okay, let's break this down. If Ronaldo had Superman's power, he would reach the ball before his teammates even passed it. Super strength. Every free kick would literally break the net. Fly. Bro doesn't need boots, just vibes. Look at this. He is not just carrying the football, he is carrying the world. Defenders like, forget it. Even Batman can't mark this guy. Question for you guys, would you still watch football if one man scored 100 goals per match? But wait, if Ronaldo is Superman, then who is Messi? Oh my god, Messi in Batcave dribbling through kryptonite. But Messi doesn't fly, but he will dribble through any obstacle. Even Superman Ronaldo could not stop him in El Clasico editions. Where is the ball? Alright, I need your answers in the comments. Superman Ronaldo and Batman Messi. Who wins the ultimate crossover? This is bigger than Marvel versus DC. Imagine Champions League final, 90th minute, tie game. Suddenly, Ronaldo just takes off, flies across the stadium, and score a header from a space. Commentators would go crazy. Superman. Bro doesn't need teammates anymore. No midfield, no defense. Just Superman Ronaldo versus 11 humans. It's unfair? Okay, let's get serious for a second. Jokes aside, doesn't Ronaldo already feel like Superman sometimes? The way he carried teams, inspired fans, and kept fighting no matter what. Maybe he doesn't need a cap because his career even made him a superhero. From breaking records, inspiring millions, that's real superhero stuff. So, Ronaldo really became Superman. Would the DC universe survive his goal celebration? Because I can already hear him flying down, screaming, "Shoo!" Already guys, now it's your turn. Drop it in comments. Superman Ronaldo or Batman Messi. Who wins the ultimate football crossover? If you enjoyed this ride, hit that like button and subscribe for more crazy AI ultimate crossover. Until next time, keep imagining the impossible because one day it might just happen.